Well, it's Sunday morning. It's kayaking time. Today we're out at Dunedin Causeway. Going to paddle around Honeymoon Island and maybe go over to Kayak Island, which is that island right over there. This is Hurricane Pass here. Dig this. Dave got a new kayak. He finally broke down and bought one.
I got him his first cast. He got him a redfish. That long on his first.
How big was it?
That long.
Dave and his new kayak. That's our video today, is Dave's kayak adventure.
Right out front flying that thing. That's got
Dave, we here at International Cable News are curious as to how you like your new boat. What are your thoughts on it, sir?
Bueno, muy bueno.